sideways. 2 toys in the garage, shit, nigga. You probably see me on the highway. I probably got my dick sucked by your fiance. You owe me 3 bands, I need my entree. Shit, I probably fucked your auntie. And she a dime piece, what she do with her lips, that's beyond me. And she just called another hobby. She make you wait like Kawaji. Shed peace to my Akis. I swear can't nobody stop me. Shit, I can't be moving sloppy. I only sleep in Versace. I just got 10 keys from Poppy. Poppy said whatever I needed, he got me. Just got my head hit in the Barbie. Cheating in